Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke, stainless steel ski tow bar, stainless steel ladder. This boat does have the stainless steel rails. You'll see a lot of storage on the back, table and cover. This is the very popular single lounger layout. This will rotate. As we come into the boat, you'll see plenty of U-shaped seating here in the back. This boat is going to have dual batteries with a dual battery switch. Here at the helm, you've got the high back helm chair, flip up armrest. This boat's going to have tilt wheel steering. You're going to have the total lighting package, also the Simrad with the Fusion stereo. As we move forward, this boat does have an in-floor ski locker and plenty of seating and storage in the bow. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 210 Cruiser. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.